Good day po uli. So, continuation sa ating topic. Ang kasunod naman ay arc length naman po. So, same tayo ng circle. We have circle B na meron siyang mga endpoint na triangle A, B, C or arc length or arc AC, which is ang sukat na kanyang arc is 60 degrees. Ang radius pa din natin ay 6 cm. Now, pag hinanap ang arc length, ibig sabihin itong arkong ito po hanggang dito, gaano po siya kahaba. Itong arkong ito, itong linyang ito, itong arc na ito. So, gaano po yun kahaba. So, we can find that length by using this formula. We have A. A stands for the arc. Ito po. The degree over 360, pangkalahatan po. Then, length of the arc divided by 2 pi r or circumference of a circle. Now, ang A po natin, that is 60 degrees. So, 60 degrees over 360. Then, length 2 pi is 3.1416. R natin is 6. Okay. So, ito papalitin po natin. That will become 1, 6. So, cancel po natin ito. That is 6 divided by 6 becomes 1. 36 divided by 6 becomes 6. Then, L. Ito po yun. Then, multiply po natin to. That will become 2. So, pagka multiply natin ito, that will become 12. 12 times 13, 14, 16. Or 13.1416. That is equal to 157.6992. Okay. So, kapag meron ka ng ganitong forma, atin po siyang i-cross multiply. Ito po. So, ibig sabihin 1, ito. So, 157.6992 equal to 6 times L. That will become 6L. Okay. Then, since may 6 tayo dito, kakancel natin ito para makancel ang 6. Then, A1 si L. Then, ito naman, i-divide natin by 6. So, that will become 157.6992 divided by 6. That will become 26.28. So, ibig sabihin, ang sukat po ng arc na ito, itong arc na A hanggang C, ang sukat ng guhit na yan is equal to 26.28 cm. Okay po. So, thank you po.